this is just a quick tutorial on how to find the bonnet catch underneath the bonnet. So when you've opened the bonnet catch from inside, which is obviously underneath the steering wheel, you come right underneath to the bonnet. If you put your hand just above where the sign is and lift it, put your thumb to a downwards position and you can feel it. There's a latch. If I just move the camera this way for a minute, then you'll see the latch that I mean. Hopefully. There it is. Can you see it? That latch there. So as the bonnet is closing, I'll do it again, just in case you didn't see that one. As the bonnet is closing, you put your hand just above that. Put your finger to your thumb or finger downwards. Move it to the side and it will lift up.